We'll guide you through how to fix Gmail not responding on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and make sure it's up to date. Outdated browsers can cause compatibility issues with Gmail, so you need to ensure you're using the latest version. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. This can help resolve any temporary glitches that might be causing Gmail to freeze. To do this, go to your browser settings, look for the Privacy or Security section, and find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select Cache and Cookies, then confirm your choice. After that, check if any browser extensions might be interfering with Gmail's functionality. Disable all extensions temporarily by going to the Extensions menu in your browser, then restart your browser and try loading Gmail again. If Gmail starts working, re-enable your extensions one by one to identify the culprit. Another step is to check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause Gmail to stop responding, so try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it to see if that resolves the issue. Additionally, you can try accessing Gmail in incognito mode or using a different browser to see if the problem persists. If none of these steps work, consider reaching out to Google's support team for further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.